Hey, good evening, folks. Alrighty, I'm going to start off a little controversial already. At 128 on the 130, this is the, you can see down here, 171 high cadence. For one snap, they've got all of this blacked out. And all you see is the sunshine up above here. Of course, it's right towards the end. It's got to make you wonder, what the heck, what was happening right there? Well, we had a coronal mass ejection with a flare. And it was, basically the sun was pushing a planet or another star. I don't think it's our second star. I used to, but I think it's just some of our extra planets. A lot of people don't realize or even understand that we have more planets than what NASA tells us. In fact, the European Space Agency had an article that I had seen a while back. I really wish that I had saved that and downloaded it. But they had come to discover that they fully believe that they have found 132 bodies in our solar system that are planets or dwarf planets in our solar system that we didn't know were there. What? So, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. Oh, and by the way, UFOs are real, flying or spaceships, whatever you want to call them, okay? USAPs, I don't care what you want to call them. And I'll prove it to you. They're all over on some of these satellites. So, 128, so it's right here towards the end, okay? So we're going to back it up to about here. Boop. And then we're going to hit play. Because you're not really going to see much of anything if it'll play. Come on, load up. All right, it finally took off. And here we are at 8:28, the 29th. So you'll see some popping and some flaring over in here, okay? But what you need to watch for is like once it gets to the 31st, because that's right towards the end is when it goes boop, right at the end of the 31st, wherever it stops. You'll see the little blink flash. But we really need to pay attention to the time of what time that is close to where it says, oh, nothing happened, because we're having things that are they're conflicting on times that it's showing that something actually popped off. Because I'm seeing around 8 o'clock in the morning UTC, something popped off, and we don't get. See, there was another one. That's where it stopped, right there, right around 8 o'clock. Did you see that? All right, now let me show you what I'm talking about. Here we are at the Space Weather Prediction Center, and you can see this right here. It goes down, and then after that we got the little pops. No coronal mass ejections with it, nothing. However, and just like did you see that? Did you see him move it out of the way? Because UTC time, I guess we're getting close, so they just bumped it over. This one did this yesterday too. See that? It came down, and then all of a sudden right here, and I wonder what time this would be. If noon would be here, that'd be pretty close to right there, wouldn't you say? I would say so. These bunch of stinking codfish. I'm telling you what. Oh, now pay attention to this. I'm going to show you guys this in a lot more detail. Do you see this little white dot there? And you see there's a little line here and a line here. It's called Memorex, okay? CGI compute. They come in here and they splice this up all the time. If you take a look at this, if you're getting close enough, this is one of those spacecraft. It has a wing that goes this way, a wing that goes this way, and a tail. Okay? Now, this little bugger right here, that's the planet I'm talking about. And when I show you on a more up close thing and we start hitting go, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. It's perfectly round. It's amazing. It's beautiful. It's beautimous. Let's scroll on down here a little bit. So when I get to that one, make sure you pay attention to it. And here we go right here. This is from today. Notice how it starts off at 1400. They don't let you see 8 o'clock this morning. Oh, a bunch of codfish, really? So we just get a bunch of little pops. Honestly, nothing major. Just some teeny little blinks. So we're good. We're good with that, really. All right, let's go on to the next one. Okay, this is here we're gonna full screen this, and we'll play it. Now, supposedly this is up to date, and it's looking pretty up to date, but it's not showing the most recent pop. That's very interesting. I wonder why. Like it's not showing any of it. Very interesting. That second one, boom, it's hitting us. Well, it'll be hitting us tomorrow, that second wave. But what about that other one that went off? This isn't. See, it should be registering right here, and it's not. See, oh look, now they got this one's coming. That's actually pretty good. We had one going that way. Well, what about? Yeah, well, actually, that might have been it going that way. Now that I'm looking at the time here, let's take another peek at that real quick. Just real quick. Let's see here. This one coming at us, and actually, there's two, by the way. Yep, you know what? That might have been it right there. Going out around that way. That might have been the one that popped off. But, I mean, which is good. And of course, this is the European Space Agency. All right, now I'm going to start off on this one. This one's, you're going to see a whole lot more happening here. I've actually got it, you can see I'm down here 381 frames out of 388. So I'm towards the end, okay, which is where it'll actually stop. It stops it from going anywhere. This almost looks like a cigar one, doesn't it? Like a cigar-shaped spaceship. That's kind of interesting though, right? Now let's just go frame by frame, okay? Boop. Okay, something happened. You seen that? Boom. Look at this right here. You see that? That is much brighter than the rest of it. Why? I don't know. Oh, it's still there, and you know what? It still looks round. Let's go to the next one. Oh, still looks round. Still looks round. Still round. Folks, like I was saying, the planets. Okay, it's insane how many we actually have that they don't say nothing to it. Now, check this out. This is the frame. This is right before the last one, obviously. I want you to check this out. This is where you actually I'll really be able to show you that they do splicing, okay, and that they're using Memorex and they're deleting stuff. See this little guy here? A wing, and a tail. Okay. Now, watch what happens when I go to the next frame, the very last frame. Oh, you see that? This is exactly the same. This never moved. Look at, watch, again. Never changed. Nothing changed. But this did. This half of it changed. Do you get it now? They overlapped right here. I mean, you can see it right here, plain as day. They're blurring the planet that they don't want you to see, or the second sun, if you will. Whichever, whether it be our second sun or whether it be one of those planets, or maybe another spaceship, just a big mothership or something, who knows? And then they blinked this one because they didn't want you to see the definition of this guy right here. So they just put a white box on it. I mean, honestly, how much more evidence does one need? I mean, it's super obvious. It goes all the way across, all the way to the top and bottom of the screen. There's two of them. One, two. I mean, come on. You know what I mean? Come on, people. Please start getting on board here and really understand this stuff is really happening. They're really doing this. Now, I'm going to back it. I'm going to go right on ahead, and I'm just going to let them play it. All right? Now, I will slow the frames down one frame at a time. Oh, there's another one. Memorex. Oh, did you see that? Hold it. Stop. Check that out. That one looked pretty cool. You see these? Yeah. This is far enough away. It ain't no Diggum comet or meteor. But look at that guy. Ooh, hauling out. Beautiful. So gorgeous. I love it. You guys notice that? That's pretty cool, ain't it? Yeah. All right, let's hit play again. Now, if you guys go to these sites and start, oh, see it again? There was a Memorex. Hold on, stop. Let's back her up. That's one. Get hauling buns out of the way. Look at that, Memorex. We don't want you to see this. Nothing to see here. Pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. Okay, Wizard of Oz. They've literally been telling us for a long time. And look at that. Wow, right there. Cool. Now, some of these little specks, yeah, they're absolutely dust, space dust. And yes, there it is. It's a real thing. It's out there. Whoa, did you see that one? Huh? Whoa. There's some more Memorex. Bam. Right there. What's up with that? Let's back up a little bit and see that. But oh, see that one there at the bottom? Zoom. He's hauling buns. Whoa. A nice round disc just appears out of nowhere. And it's amazing. 2 frames later, they cut it out. Huh. You guys need to go to these websites and look at it first. Oh, see the other one? I mean, oh, look, and they blinked out. They had the 2 of them there. Seriously, go there and start looking at these things frame by frame by frame, and you'll start seeing the shapes and the patterns. You'll be like, oh my gosh, there's one. Oh my gosh, there's one. You'll see them all over the place. Yep, see it? Popping off. Oh, wait, that's on the 28th. But they're all over. Okay, zoom. You see him hauling buns? Actually, I'm going to stop that real quick, and I'm going to back it up. I'm going to actually go to the top so you can see him. And, I mean, it's almost like, seriously, it's a warp signature trail or something. It's so hilarious. Hang on here. Look at that. Look at that. All the way down here. Ooh. That's how, I'm sorry. There is nothing, no meteor or comet is going to leave a trail like that. All the way. And look at this. It almost looks like a rapid fire burst. Boom, 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 boom. Acceleration. That's what those are. They're like little boom, boom, boom of acceleration. We already have that technology, folks. Yes, we do. I wonder if we go up, if we back up 1 frame, we can actually see him coming off of the sun. And actually, let's, oh, come on. How far back is one? 12 minutes. No, maybe not. That means he was hauling buns, folks. Oh, there's another one. You need to go to these sites and start doing this, peoples. Okay, last but not least, this guy here. And I've already looked at all of these. I cannot see any coronal mass ejection coming off anywhere at all. Why? Because right here at the end, they cut it off so you can't see it. Okay? Now watch your timestamp down at the bottom once this bar goes away. If it goes away. Get off of there. Because remember, a lot of this is from yesterday and the day before. There we go. Now watch your time down there. It'll stop right around 8 o'clock. Oh, maybe not. Oh, did you actually see it? Did you see it push off of there? Nice. This is actually the only one that I didn't take a look at. I actually might be able to stop it here. And we might actually be able to see it. That would be great. See the little the black blanks? See that? They're doing that on purpose. Okay, we're getting closer to that 8 o'clock point. Come on. Ah, it's not going to let me do it on slow-mo. Oh, you little rotten dog. All right, I'll just hit play. See if we can see it one more time. Whoop. I seen it. Did you guys see it? And yet I couldn't see it doing it myself. Oh, well. So, yeah, folks, it's definitely a good idea to go here to these places and take a look. Oh, and by the way, one of the things I did want to show you, this one here particularly, I don't know why, but this angstrom here, I'll back out so you guys can see which one it is. Okay, I am at Soho Real-Time GIF Movies. Okay, this one right here, 94 angstroms. When you look at this, go frame by, if you can get it to where you can go frame by frame and really slow it down, you will actually see things shooting right past the sun, up, shooting down, shooting across the side, shooting come back the other direction. What is that? I mean, because gravity from the sun would pull it in unless it has propulsion. And it's almost like somebody's up here shooting down and somebody's down here shooting up. It's hilarious. Or it's flying by. So keep your eyes out, folks. We got another one inbound. They're not showing anything. Love you, brothers and sisters. Stay safe.